Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AnyDesk on your Windows PC or laptop on Windows 10 or 11. AnyDesk allows you to control other computers or allow others to control your computer, which can be helpful for remote assistance. And here's how to download and install AnyDesk. First, open a web browser and search for AnyDesk, or you can directly go to anydesk.com. Now click on Download Now option, which is highlighted in red color. You can also go ahead and select the Windows version and all, and then after select Download. Select Save, and now open your File Explorer. Go to the Download section and open AnyDesk. A window will pop up. Click on Install AnyDesk on this device. Click on it, and now select Accept and Install, which is highlighted in red color. Choose the installation path and click on Accept and Install and allow the app to make changes through the Windows security pop-up. AnyDesk will reload and will now be installed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.